Hello, my amazing people. Now, welcome to my channel. I greet you, I salute you now. How na day? So, if you never follow me for my channel, just run follow me now. Make you rush follow me now. That they call Classic CY. Or you follow me for my Facebook page. That they call Classic CY page. Anyone where you come across, may God continue to be blessed you now. So, my people, waiting carriers come today now. Tiwa Savage matter. You know, this is where Tiwa Savage video take leak. Me, I not talk anything good based on say. I just try to gather some information to see how her reaction will be after when they post this video. When they post the video of when she got to the bench and her man. So some people call it put blame on her and put blame say why she go to do that kind of thing. Person if you go the bench as a lady, you go come dey record her own self. To me, or my own opinion, how they try to explain. So person if you go the knack, go the record your own self. If people say according to her, she say na blackmail. They say blackmail her cause according to the one video when I post where she got to get interview with one Oyibo woman, she say somebody they try to blackmail her. You understand, my amazing people. So as I post that video, like now they can't just blackmail her to just like to embarrass our internet. So waiting can be her reaction. She never do anything. A lot of people can't put mouth for the matter, they chuki mad. But me, I just stay one corner and they look waiting she go do last, waiting she go talk last. For me, my people, my own opinion for this matter be say nobody is above mistake. You understand? A lady not just record herself when she dey knack, she can't post her for internet. If you be say maybe na the guy do her, maybe they can't get one misunderstanding or that. So now the guy will come to say, if you not give me this or you not go give me, make I give you, make I bench you again, make I give you, make I knock you. You not green. I go kokoma embarrass you. You know say I get your this thing. That's why they bench you, why they knock you. I record you. Maybe like she call this surprise because if you watch that video very well, according to people like me, I'm not going to drop the video for you, YouTube or this will not go block my channel. According to the video, if you watch and you go see be like the Tiwa Savage, they give her drink. Let's say she hire well for that place. You understand, my amazing people? The way she got it there, she just use hand, just stay open and go one corner by herself. You understand? So nobody will be saying maybe, but the only thing when I see there is that for me maybe she don't know to me or I don't know because according to her she said na blackmail. You understand, my people? So she said they blackmail her. So but waiting come be my own reaction be say according to as the video they go viral with a lot of people wey we call it see for the street of internet wetin they call dey talk for the matter like chuku for the matter. There's some people must talk now. They come to say at least Tiwa Savage supposed to come beg, to come apologize to our lovely fans. Say wetin she do now a mistake or anything. But see now, see her reaction. She never said anybody, guys. She never said anybody. She just continued to the, you get one music because she just knew. So they say other than somebody's song go find her one day. So I find them one day. So now I just continue to react to the video, my people. This lady, she really get mind. She's if now some people they for all break down on internet, they for all they feel sad, but she not just say it, my people. She not just saying this one a very strong lady. See her now. See the way she dey react to people video for it's they call her TikTok channel where they duet a video. Now so she consider duet to respond to them. They feel happy. She just dey happy. And I just pray this happiness she just did. So nobody's above mistake, my people. Everybody just forgive her. To me, my own opinion, how they try to talk. So you understand, my people. Waiting don't happen already happen. So nobody go fit change her again. So as she just dey happy like this, now money she just dey make they go like this. So we will not just carry a for person matter. We will just try to forget the matter. We will just leave her. She just say leave the matter. Unless she know what happen for that place. A lot of people they say me they go hold the guy, say now the guy do the thing. So who wan come follow? Tiwa Savage be say the thing happen to, she no even just feel concerned, she no even feel maybe the thing dey even dey bother her. So my people, why we go dey carry headache for person matter? So make we just let the how they take dey speak am for English, I not just now want to speak am my people, because oyibo me ogbo oyibo I got this on that little boy. So now so my people, you see how she just dey happy, dey duet people video. So we just continue to dey happy with her like that. So you see the thing never dey bother her, so now we go come dey bother. So now so my people, I don't have my little advice to everyone wey be maybe still dey feel concerned about the video and all of that. So now her life, as far as it not bother her, maybe too may not bother us too. Now some amazing people wetin I also think about wetin I dey talk. Even I still think say wetin I dey talk dey right or dey right, abeg una still drop am for the comment section whether maybe wetin I dey talk don still good to una own opinion. You understand my people? So now it's make I also chook mouth for the matter, because all those days I no even talk with a lot of people. They say that's 60 why you no even talk for this matter where they go on, all those kind of things. Just I try to gather some reaction, how the lady go take react, whether she go like break down for internet, but she no ever do anything, she no come out send, she just dey make her music dey go popular. So now some my people, let's make I still break the matter call here now. How I see now, when I just drop an opinion for comment section and we will see una, we will see una whole opinion. So my people, the next matter we dey talk about now, this one shock me my people. You know, Prince Kpokpogiri na, what they call Prince Kpokpogiri, Toto Dike ex-lover. My people, not be smart you. You know say I make a video be say they don't put Prince Kpokpogiri for say now you come out for live video, as you come out for live video, now you just begin dey blow lie. He say they not carry and go any prison, or they not carry and go any cell. Say that they lie for your head, my people. This man, if he greet you good morning, maybe they find say na evening you do. If you greet you good afternoon, maybe you think say na night you dey, because this man lie too much. You see the first video where I show for that place just now. Now the time when they release am for prison, if you see and say that they really remove something for your hand, we say maybe that they put, I know say if they put person for prison, they must chain in hand now. So now this man come out for live video, this Kpokpogiri, I mean Kpokpogari, come out, they lie. They talk say they don't put her for prison, or they don't go any cell. I go play the video, my people, when I listen. This man, as in, he just be like saying a lie, now he dey live for a life. I tell you, say man like this, so you be saying no dey, as in so lie, now for him mad. Jesus, I never see this kind of man. Oh, I be my people, I don't see this kind of man. When be say the matter come as the matter hot reach, that the shocky, I be that the freeze, sorry, that the freeze. If you come up for the matter come talk, say you never see man will be like this. Now this Kpokpogiri, as they don't release somewhere you she has, bang 2 minutes you enter online, you just begin to blow like up and down for internet. Say you don't go any prison. Say all the artists where they see, where they talk, say all of them are Photoshop. Say they Photoshop and say that lie. They don't put her for any prison. Jesus, when I see the first video, I go play the video for after this voice note. My people, this man, he dey lie for federal. I never see person like this where they lie. Since I dey waka, I never see anybody like this where lie to this man. See, I make I advise una. Anybody wey no Kpokpogiri, if Kpokpogiri greet you good morning, my people, they find good afternoon or good night. If he greet you good night, they find good day or good night is. So my people, I never see this kind of man. My advice be say, if you get this kind of man, or you get this kind of brother where they lie like this, you know say they lie. I bet me you try. Me you try tell her make it change, because this attitude not good at all. Nah. Okay, this man like this way go sit down for inside a parlor, they lie, they blow lie, we not correct now. What do you cause me with belief now? I be maybe if you say maybe we never hear everything they go on for time. My brother, we don't hear everything. We don't hear everything. So my amazing people, my opinion be say this Kpokpogiri it too they lie. Make you try change, Only one why just destroy the whole world of guests. All the guests just sleep with her now. When don't lash, now they go fear. Say this man, me no go busy now. Then their matana go come be the next to. So my people now, man, they lie like this. A man so they stay one place. A man so they stay one place. Any so we mat enter now, a man they talk. My people, when they run, no, anyone have for see Popogiri, when they run. He said they not put her for prison. Nah. Say now lie that they talk. I go play the video, my people, and I go laugh and I go tire. And I go see the video where we say the time when they release her. Where we say this smart they lie like this. I beg, Mona pray, Mona not Bobby go be like this Popogiri. Because if you Bobby go be like Popogiri, if you greet you good morning, you go to find good evening. So my people, Mona just see comment on the comment section. I go play the video. Mona listen to what is this mad they lie. When they play keyboard like KG1 student for there. So hey, cause hey yeah. So my people now yeah for they drop this story. Me and my partner go kill my enemy. So Mona just stay blessed. I beg. Mona try to follow my page now. I beg. Una dey view my page well. Muna follow me. I use God take beg una. Or una follow me for my YouTube channel. So my people, Muna just stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye bye. I will see you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Keep quiet. So some people are saying that you have been released from detention. We heard that you are going to be released tomorrow, being Wednesday. So I want to believe that you were not even arrested. I want to believe that the pictures were photoshopped. Because anything is possible in today's technology.
They were all photoshopped. You can see my house now.
I'm seeing your house. Yes, I'm seeing your house. Very, very beautiful.
You can see my pictures.
When do I get to take a trip to your house? This is very, very beautiful. Yes.
You can see my